This is the frame for a reclining chair, piece of outdoor furniture, and it's been brought to me to look at by the domestic authority because this crossbar fell off. It broke once before and was taken to a proper welding shop for repair. And let's go and look at what this proper welding shop did. First thing they didn't do was any amount of cleaning, and as a result there's probably more air in the weld than there is in the metal. Look at the other side. Look at that. As fine an example of TSAW as you will ever see. Also known as turkey shit arc welding. And as inexperienced as I am, I think I can do better than this. So, yeah. Got to be worth a try anyway, isn't it? So I'm going to go and grind the living crap out of these and clean off all of the old weld, and then see if I can do a better job. What the hell, huh? Nothing to lose. Let's have a look. Don't know how this is going to work out. Sometimes you just have to try things. It's not exactly a aerospace application, so I'm okay with that. So not knowing exactly what this aluminum alloy is, and there's a strong chance it's something like 6063, which is very common for extrusions. I can't make any specific choice of filler material, and in any case all I have on hand is 4043, so I'm just going to try that and see what happens. Machine is set up to AC. AC balance is on auto. That just seems to work best. I've tried screwing around with it, never managed to do any better. I've got my number 10 Jazzy cup, which, as I've said before, is probably over the top for this, but it seems to help me out, so I'm going with that. Just check me visor. Yep. I've got the frame clamped so that it's the same width apart this end as it is up there, and I've measured and located the position of this, which is not super accurate anyway. Got my ground clamp on. Hell. Let's try it. It's a 3/32 tungsten. I've got the machine set at 100 amps max. I am running a foot pedal, and I'm probably positioned incredibly badly. Oh well. I only want to tack it right now, but So that was kind of interesting. The first attempt I made, it just was horrible, balling up, and I think despite the fact that I've cleaned this up well and cleaned it with acetone, it's just kind of a dirty, poor surface. So the second go, I just held a plasma on it from the torch and just watched the metal, and I watched that white area that you get as it cleans up, and I watched that kind of spread out, and then a little silver puddle appeared in the middle of it, and I kind of focused on that, and I let both pieces of metal clean up that way, and then I was able to get a pretty decent tack on it. I don't know if you can see that, but that seemed to work. So maybe I can clean the thing up a bit more with that. Other side, I've just checked all my measurements, got this squared up. Strictly speaking, I should have just tacked both sides first, but I'm afraid I got a bit enthusiastic and carried away. New filler. Right, get yourself sorted out. There we go. That one's a bit ugly. Let's have a look at the other side. Yeah, wouldn't pass any kind of real inspection, but yeah, I'm just going to say that's a heck of a lot better than what the shop that charged money for it did. So I'm going to test it now. Well, there you are then. Why spend $50 on a new piece of furniture when you can own thousands of dollars of equipment and repair it yourself? You can do anything when you put your mind to it. Cheers. In mosquitoes. Happy shenanigans.